Good morning, everybody. It is January 9th, and here's your plan of attack for today. Well, you know how I like to do this. I like to forecast kind of like how I expect today's candle to look. And at the moment, we're finally out of the box. Thank you, baby Jesus. And so from there, okay, so I'm okay with going long, right? So here was support. We finally broke above it, and you can simply see how we're above all moving averages, and we, at the moment, looks like we want to come back up here. Now, I have a few bigger picture things, but since it's a little bit later in the day, I'll cover them later. But what I'm kind of looking at for today, anyways, is if I'm looking for price to at least go higher today. I mean, I could be wrong, and we just have a big wick at the highs, and we're back in the box. But at the moment, it doesn't look like that's going to happen. So if that is what I'm looking at, how do I look, or how do I wish to day trade 0 days to expiration trades? So as of right now, we're hitting resistance right at basically 39. What is this? 39.34. Thanks to David Starr, there is a snow line there, and he's currently holding the market down. So if I want to play it to the upside, I mean, we simply look. There's a 30-minute squeeze going bullish. Most of the spaghetti's going green. We're moving higher. We really just got to break this resistance line. And the way I really want to play it is I don't want to play a breakout. If I want to play the upside, I guess I'm just going to play a pullback. I mean, I don't want to go short, really, per se, simply because there is some pretty strong support underneath us. But at the same time, I would like us to break out of this level. Right, so if here's that snow line holding us down, if we get a push up and then just a pullback and then play it to the upside, I think that'd be great. But we are right up here near the 3rd hourly ATR. And we could play the short side if it did want to pull back, say it did flush lower, pull back, and then short down to this level, basically where our support is at. But at the moment, it does look like, bigger picture, we want to go higher. But if we do flush down to here, just for a quick retest, and then we get reversal signals, then I'll play it back to the upside. And the reason I'm okay with going bullish now is because big picture, it looks like we want to go higher. And so at the moment, I guess if I'm going to play bullishly, all I'm looking at is if we get a flush quickly down to support about 39.16-ish levels where we pivoted right here. If we flush down here, we get reversal signals, I'll play it to the upside. Looking for price to reclaim VWAP and moving averages. Or if we do break above this resistance level, and then say we get a quick pullback, and then look to take it back up again. As far as economic data goes today, you see, today is okay to do drama free because there's no crazy data coming out today. But we could also consider that maybe price might chop around. I am concerned if we might get back in the box simply because price is going to chop around, waiting for Powell to speak and waiting for, where are we at? Thursday, the CPI to come out and the core CPI. So, I mean, I wouldn't be surprised if we just go sideways into Thursday, waiting for the big move to, or waiting for the big economic data to come out, and then we get a push from there. So, I mean, we got some decent data coming out this week. So it looks like basically today will be okay for drama free. Tomorrow will be a little iffy with Powell speaking. To Wednesday's okay. Thursday, hard no. And then consumer sentiment, that can move price around too. We've seen that move around quite a bit as well. So some things worth noting there. But that's the plan today. Really, I would like a breakout, pullback, take it higher. But if we flush back down to support about 39.16-ish, 39.90, and we get buy signals, I'll play that rally back up. Simply because big picture right here, we finally broke out and we're starting to push a little bit up. And we can simply see how we cleared resistance. So to the upside it is, and I'm okay with playing that right now. So got to be like water and adjust as the market unfolds in front of you. But that's all I have for today on the plan of attack as far as 0 DTE trading SPX or ES futures. That's the plan there, all I have, and I will see y'all again tomorrow. Take care, everybody.